Hey everybody, it's Randy with Carchaeology, and we are back at the big estate with all of the amazing cars, the Chrysler Town & Country. I'm sure you enjoyed the video of that one, but today we're going to get after a couple more cars. So let me walk you over to today's prospect, and you can follow along on this adventure, digging these cars up and driving them. So the Town & Country up and runs. That's fantastic. We've got another vehicle here hiding under the cover, but I think today's adventure is going to be this 40 Ford. Now this car's been sitting for quite a while. You can see it's definitely got a little low pressure in that rear tire. We'll air that up. We see if we can get this thing out of here started, make it run, make it go, and prepare it for sale, because this is a car that is going to be sold. And well, it deserves better presentation than it is right now. Seeing it all dusty like this, that paint is amazing underneath that dust. So we will get in there and get that going. Cool ride though. Cool. Now, once we're done with the 40 Ford, we're going to work our way around the garage and get through these other cars as well. And I think the next one up is going to be this white Cadillac here. This is a 1956 model Caddy. You can see that car cover has been on there so long it's disintegrating and leaving all the fluff there on there, which kind of adds to that dust. This is a top-of-the-line Eldorado model, which is awesome. 1956 is an amazing year for Cadillac and really is the start of the big tail fin era cars. Love the back end of that. You can see where the design was going, and it just got crazier from there. And the best part about this car is it is a convertible. Indeed, this is a 1956 Eldorado Biarritz convertible. Truly top of the line, wildly collectible, and really an amazing car. Looks like it's got the original air cleaner in there, which is made of pure unobtainium. The dash is complete. The interior looks really, really nice. That back seat looks like it might be original. Looks like the front seat was maybe a tuck and roll recover at some point. But this thing is solid, complete, and is going to be a fantastic car to clean up and revive. I can't wait to dig this one up and drive it. Please subscribe and watch for upcoming videos on this incredible Cadillac. Yowza, this thing rocks. But let's get on to the task at hand, the 1944. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire up. Yikes. Plugging that bad boy apart. So tight. Yeah, no doubt. Trying to get that in. Got to deal with the fenders off, definitely. You ain't just dropping that in.
I guess if you know these motors, you would. Well, aren't the plugs up under here anyway?
Yeah.
I think they all got air in them, but this one, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
This other one's a little low. This rear.
I just hope I don't have to jack it up for this.
I don't know. It's probably in the trunk, I would guess. The battery for this?
Yeah, it is. Yep. Big trunk, huh?
Yeah, he's got some aftermarket.
Oh, that's why it's stuff on
Rise! Rise, old man.
Is it out already or is it
That good?
Yeah, that's probably good. That's not good. That's definitely not good. No, I think it's a valve stem.
It's right here.
Yeah. Dang it. No, it's not the thingy inside. It's just the whole valve stem. So let's get this thing up in the air, get that rear wheel off of there, and swap out that valve stem so we can roll it.
Okay, that line's already hooked up. Okay, good.
So everything's hooked up.
Yeah.
Which is it?
We have a battery.
Yeah, I put the one out of the Jerry.
I got on a jerry can.
You know what? See what gear. There you go.
Good idea.
Yeah, don't start it in gear.
You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, stop. There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Sounds like a Chrysler. Wants to go off.
Yeah, I'm not getting any power here.
So no power to the pump.
Okay.
Well, let's just hot wire that pump and see if it's actually working.
Jonas, shut the key out.
Alright. We have functioning fuel pump. We got gas going into the filter. Let's see.
Try it.
Go for it. Woo! Oh, it so wants to go. Almost.
You got fuel.
Wait, hang on. We got fuel leaking out.
Oh, that's from the regulator.
Oh, so it's leaking out that regulator. All right.
We don't need the regulator.
We don't need no stinking regulator. Just get
Bypass
lots
that.
of gas in this big frickin' Hemi.
I'll try that.
That seems to be holding so far.
Oh,
Wait, stop.
It's right out the side
Yeah.
here. Right there.
Yeah.
The fitting looks good.
Yeah. Right? I'd be getting a lot more drips on me.
Yeah, no, I think we're good with that.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering, let me get a zip tie. I'll zip tie it away from the
I have a
fan.
bunch.
Safety second.
Yes. You're thinking. You must have been a Boy Scout.
I've seen this movie before.
Right. I've lit enough cars on fire to know better.
Hey, Jonas.
Hook that thing up. Fuel pump pumping now, and it's not leaking. So maybe it'll go. We can hope.
Give it a shot.
Yeah.
Got some fire.
Yeah, it's
So you
painted
took it the
that
wrong
way.
Well,
It seems
I
to
wanted
be that-
a little show here.
Well, it was a nice little fire show. That was good.
Now, which way did I turn it?
button.
Oh, just a backfire out of the carb, so the timing's probably off. But the distributor's loose, so it's like,
So much completion.
Let's try that again.
yeah, try it again.
Okay. You want to go a little more? Try it. Getting tired.
Here, I think we should maybe charge the battery a little bit and try to properly time the thing.
Yeah.
You know, it'd be fun to just He-Man make it go, but
Right.
I think if that thing's dialed in and the battery's fully charged, it'll rock.
Let's do that.
And this is pulling gas that's out of the tank too, right?
Right.
So, and that could be
It's not the greatest.
that could be old nasty gas. So
Maybe what we could do
play
too
around
is-
with that.
Doesn't smell as bad.
No, it doesn't smell too bad, but still,
Yes, charge the battery.
charge the battery up a bit. We can look up the timing there, play with that a little, and then give it one more try. Very close.
At least no fire that time.
Yeah, it's just way off. It's got to be.
Maybe we should just check the firing order just to be safe.
Yeah, couldn't hurt. Whoa.
Are you getting too much gas, like without the regulator?
I don't know what. It's got to be about that sticking.
Makes sense.
It just doesn't. It shouldn't be
It
that.
shouldn't be firing up through that.
No.
And we know that it's the firing order's all right. The timing can't be that far off.
No.
It's got to be something sticky
There's
in
no
there.
no oomph of it.
All right, go for it. So close. It wants to go. It really.
Go.
Yeah, we're losing battery quick. Damn, so close, so close. Dang it. So close, so close. Ah. Yeah. Brum, brum. Oh, it runs so good. Listen to it. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Well, it's not running, but we're going to roll it out, give it a bath here, and see if maybe it wants to start after we've cleaned it up. But really badass 40 Ford here. And we're really close to making it go. Exhaust is just a little low.
Stop right there.
Cool.
Might as well wait till he gets.
I remember when you guys were fun.
Way back 2 weeks ago.
We need something more than iced tea to make it fun. Just saying.
Yeah, go for it.
Awesome.
I'm not trying to get it all off. I'm just trying to keep it.
Fantastic. Yeah. Oh, it was really screaming for a bath. That thing's really beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good looking car.
It's a really good looking car, man.
Yeah.
It looks so nice. Yeah, we'll give one more try at starting this beauty here. Get the battery in it. Give her a crank. See if she wants to start after we rubbed her little hiney there. Looking so much better.
Yeah, that was my high
hot rod.
Go.
All right. Awesome. All right. That's all she needed was a bat. We cleaned it up, we got it running, and now it is available for sale. I've got this car advertised on Facebook Marketplace for $27,500, open to reasonable offers. The car still needs work to be a runner and driver, of course, but as you can see, it is a fantastic basis for a super fun hot rod. So let me know if you're interested.